back to the channel. Today the 2025 Chevy Nova 400 V8 is here, bringing classic muscle car heritage into the modern age. Today, we'll take a deep dive into the exterior, interior, and performance of this beast. Let's go. Exterior. Chevrolet has blended retro styling with futuristic design. Up front, the aggressive grille pays homage to the 1970s Nova, but with a modern LED lighting signature. The muscular hood bulge hints at the power underneath, while the sculpted body lines enhance aerodynamics without losing that raw muscle car feel. Riding on massive 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, the 2025 Nova grips the road with performance tires. The low stance and flared fenders scream performance, while the quad exhaust tips at the rear confirm this isn't just for show, it's got the power to back it up. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit designed for both comfort and performance. Chevy has integrated a 12-inch digital gauge cluster, a massive infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system. The leather and Alcantara seats provide incredible support, perfect for spirited driving. And for those who love nostalgia, Chevy has included a classic-style Nova badge on the dash, paying respect to the past while embracing the future. Performance. Now, let's talk about the heart of this machine. Under the hood, we've got a 400 cubic inch naturally aspirated V8 pushing out a monstrous 525 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic, delivering power to the rear wheels for a true muscle car experience. And with a 0 to 60 time of just 3.8 seconds, the 2025 Nova means business. Chevy has also given it a modern adaptive suspension system, allowing for a smooth ride on the streets and razor-sharp handling on the track. The 2025 Chevy Nova 400 V8 is everything a muscle car fan could ask for. Brutal power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge tech, all wrapped up in an iconic nameplate. This is more than just a car, it's a statement. What do you think? Is the new Nova a worthy successor? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay fast.